मेरा कैमरा वाला कौन है? राहुल बड़ोले।
Sania?
I did it. Dad? I spoke to you. Oh, you did?
I met her.
Yeah.
Sania, hello.
I love her. You know, she's amazing.
That's what good order.
I for a second I thought that was sad and then
A lot of kids.
oh that's the
Yeah, yeah.
तो एक फोटो कर
Come,
लेते
let's
हैं।
take a nice picture. Come and look at that.
क्या लुक क्या?
थैंक यू।
Thank you.
थैंक यू।
Thank you.
kind of lot is happening.
मैम excuse me।
Oh, ma'am, please.
रूम नहीं करता।
Hi, how are you?
Thank you for coming.
Yeah, I have a flight to
Asim.
catch to Delhi.
आसिम।
Leave for the airport at 9. So I have to
Please come.
get home by about 8:15. Shower. Yeah. All that. I mean, it depends on which.
Even though our charm is completely tough.
We have an eco champ environmentalist by heart champion Rahul Bose is here. We welcome Rahul Bose for this green cyclothon. I request all the students of the National College and the cyclists to please collect your cycles.
As you wish.
And can I have Nelson and my team to please register, do the registration. Ganesh, please do the registration. Take a pen and paper. Please, Elena. Dr. Deepshika Birla ji, please मंच पर आइए. Dr. Deepshika Birla ji, please come on the stage. Now I request Sahar to please felicitate all our guests with giving this beautiful sapling. Sahar, I would request to present this beautiful sapling to Rasika Duggal ji. Sahar, Sanjay, sapling दीजिए आगे पहले Sahar को. जी, दीपशिका बिरला जी, please आइए ना आगे मैम.
सर इधर थोड़ा थोड़ा नीचे ले लेना आप।
Yeah, look here.
Sahar would present a sapling to Rahul Bose ji also after this. जी पकड़ लो. So we'll have another sapling here. Okay.
सर यहाँ पे सर
Sir, we have saplings behind you. Just let them hold, everyone. No, but let them hold and take a picture at least, huh? No. Yeah. Can I have another sapling for Pashmina Roshan?
सर थोड़ा क्रॉस होके
थोड़ा आगे आ जाओ.
थोड़ा नीचे ले ले।
I would request Mr. Afaq Mohammed ji to please present the sapling to the Panama Consular General. Big round of applause for all these people showing their love towards the environment and coming here early in the morning for the Green Cyclothon on the eve of World Environment Day. Mr. Sahar would give the honor to Padma Shri Birla ji. and a sapling to Mr. Varun Chaudhary ji also after this. Finally, to Mr. Amitabh Singh ji, IPOS Chief Postmaster General. Neha ma'am, please come on the stage. We have been waiting for you from so long. Neha Jagtiani ji, big round of applause for the Principal of National College. Neha Jagtiani ji, we missed you last evening. And please come on the stage. All the National College students who've taken this. Okay, can I have Neha ma'am please on stage and say hi to play felicitate Neha Jagtiani ji. Sir, please present this sapling to Neha Jagtiani ji.
You're done.
And sir, it's a present sapling to now the youth ambassador for the Green Cyclotron, Vedang Rena ji. Big round of applause for Vedang Rena. He's here. His love for the environment shows that his presence here in the morning. And now we'll have
Look at this side, center.
Neha ma'am.
Sir, सामने.
So Neha ji, please share your experience with the Bamla Foundation, the kind of
For this wonderful Bamla Foundation, consistently working for this World Environment Day. Everything is wonderful, and I'd really like to welcome all these youth icons, Vedant, Pashmina, of course, the absolutely... No. Oh, you have a huge amount of fans. And Bamla ji, today is a very good day because, he's been a student of ours, and yesterday, the reason I couldn't come is that yesterday I have taken over as the director of the entire Bandra campus. So all the 4 colleges now come under me. So I think we need to now make it very much for inviting me, and I hope to support you in every way. And also I'd like to conclude with the famous words, aim for the moon so that even if you fail, you're somewhere among the stars. Thank you so much.
Thank you Neha ji.
नमस्कार। पिछले महीने हमने 11 दिन के बारिश देखे। ये हमारे इतिहास में पहली बार हुआ। Average rainfall in May is 11 millimeters. This year it was close to 200 millimeters. We're not doing very well with the environment. And the real game is, of course, methane, greenhouse gases. But that is not in our hands. It's more a governmental, geopolitical problem. What we can do, and I mean this very, very seriously, is to consume less. Spend less, use less, consume less, save water, save electricity. Do you really need that much food on your plate? That's the only way this is going to actually start to be arrested. There is really no other way. We're going to have to really look hard at making sure that the resources that we have, we use them very, very sparingly and very wisely if this is to last. Asif Seher, thank you very much. It's been wonderful coming here with all the work that you guys do. I hope we can turn this around. As I said, humanity's track record hasn't been great, but if we can turn this around, then we should start today. Thanks.
This is turning up at 7 o'clock in the morning is a true testament to your commitment to your health and to the environment. बहुत कुछ लोग बोलते हैं और बहुत कुछ करना है हमें environment के लिए, और कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हम इस चीज़ में जूझ जाते हैं कि अब क्या करें और क्या नहीं करें। तो इस चीज़ में आप मत पड़िए. Every small step counts, and believe in that. And Asif and Seher are testament to that, and the Bhamla Foundation is testament to that. So participation is important. Perfection, I hope we can reach there someday. But till then, participation is good enough. So thank you for turning up and making a commitment to making this a better world. Thank you.
Come on.
Hi everybody. Happy Environment Day. I'm so happy to be here today with everybody, to be able to celebrate Environment Day, even like with the smallest step. It's a step that counts, like Rasika Man said. No step is small, no step is too big. So I'm really happy to be here. Everyone's so happy, invigorated, and just to show love and support to our planet. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay, I request Neha ma'am has a small memento to give away.